Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a set of colorful boho plates. And we're using my gel press and Americana acrylics. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready to jazz up your summer table? Let's make some boho plates. Make sure to add a generous coat of Americana dishwasher-safe decoupage to the back of your plates once they're dry. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.